welcome to Trusting Your Taste Buds with Tina. Today we are going to make apple cinnamon muffins. So first thing I do is I got my bowl and I am going to put 1.5 cups of whole wheat flour. Make sure that it's nice and level. One. Two. Three. Got 1.5 cups. Back to the side. I need 1 tablespoon of baking powder. And 1/4 of a tablespoon of salt. And then I'll do a light mix real quick just to get those all together. Okay. And then I add everything else before I blend. So 1 egg. I have 1 cup of milk. Half a cup of oil. This is just vegetable oil. You can use coconut, you can use olive. Half a cup of sugar. You can use brown or white. I usually use white. And half a tablespoon of cinnamon. Okay, now I'm going to mix this, and then we'll add the apples and mix again. All right, nice and mixed. I'll fold in the apples. And now we're gonna let it sit for an hour. Now that our batter has sat in the fridge for an hour, we're gonna fill up these muffin cups with the apple cinnamon muffin batter. You wanna fill them about 3/4 full. And nice and full. I already have my oven preheated to 350 degrees, and they're going to go in the oven for about a ½ hour. You'll know they're done because I put a toothpick through and it comes out clean, and you can usually see that they start to get a little golden brown on the top. Okay, let's put them in. Okay, the apple cinnamon muffins are done and ready to test. Got them ready here. The batch made 13 apple cinnamon muffins. Now, taste test. There you go. Perfect. Well, thanks for joining me. And don't forget to look out for the full recipe on my website. Thanks.